Hi, I'm Stephanie Martinez. Welcome back to Just Food News. This week, we're taking a look at DoorDash's new virtual kitchen, discussing Panera's mac and cheese whistleblower, and finding out why the CEO of Impossible Meats has been throwing a little shade at his competitors. It's been 6 years since DoorDash was launched from a Stanford University dorm room, and as a demonstration of just how far the company has come in a relatively short time, DoorDash just revealed they are opening a virtual kitchen in Redwood City, California. The kitchen will host chefs from several local and national eateries, including Nation's Giant Hamburgers, Rooster and Rice, Humphreys, Slowcomb, and the Halal Guys. They'll get the space they need to create great food without paying high Silicon Valley rents, and DoorDash will get a cut of the delivery profits. However, hungry peeps in the area will be able to pick up their food if they want to. And speaking of national food chains, we know that Panera Bread's mac and cheese is legendary in some circles. But a video posted on TikTok shattered any illusions Panera fans might have about it being carefully and lovingly prepared from scratch. In the video, a Panera employee is seen dipping a plastic sealed package of mac and cheese into hot water for a few minutes and then plating it up. This reveal not only horrified some people, but it also apparently cost the girl who made the video her job. No protection for that whistleblower then. Finally, if it seems like everyone and their grandmother are hopping onto the plant-based food bandwagon right now, well, it is happening. And this is not sitting well with the CEO of Impossible Meats, Pat Brown. Not that Brown is afraid of competition. He just says that he wishes that new players would up their game before they give the whole industry a bad name. He said that in the case of his competitors, most of those products tend to suck, and that he fears that bad meat alternatives will turn people off altogether before they even try his product. And that is all for today. Thank you for stopping in again on this episode of Just Food News. If you like what you see, tweet us at Foodable, #JustFoodNews. Make sure to hit the bell and subscribe for more great content.